6b. Two commodities X and Y cost 70D and 80D per kilogram. So X is equal to D 70 per kilogram. Y is equal to D 80 per kilogram. And we are told that 34.5 kilogram of X is mixed with 26 kilogram of Y. So we have the mixture. And we are told that the mixture is made up of 34.5 kilogram of X. So 34.5 kilogram of X and 26 kilogram of Y. Then what else? And the mixture is sold at 85D per kilogram. Calculate the percentage profit. So if the mixture is sold at 85D per kilogram, we look for the total number of kilograms. So the total number of kilograms in the mixture should be 34.5 plus 26, which should give us 60.5 kilograms. Now 1 kilogram of the mixture is sold at 85D. So then 60.5 should be kg should be what? So if 1 kg is equal to 85, 60 kg should be, if more, less divides. So 60 should be 60 over 1 kg times D 85. Kg cancels kg. So we have 60 times 85. Now 60 times 85 should give us 5142.50D. So that's the selling price for the mixture. So the selling price of the mixture should be D5142.50. Now to find the profit, we need to subtract the selling price, the cost price. Now to find the profits, we need to find the profits. We need to subtract the cost price from the selling price. So the selling price minus cost price. But we know the selling price, we don't know the cost price. But then we know that 1 kilogram of X is 70D, and we used 34.5 kilogram of X for the mixture. So then if 1 kg of X is equal to D70. Then 34.5 kg of X should be equal to what? We do the same thing for this place too. If more, let's divide. So we have 34.5 kg divided by 1 kg times D70.00. Kilogram cancels kilogram. This should give us D2415.00. Now we know that the mixture also has 26 kilogram of Y, and 1 kilogram of Y is 80. So if 1 kilogram is equal to D80.00, 26 kilogram will be equal to what? If more, let's divide. So 26 kilogram over 1 kilogram times D80.00. Kilogram cancels kilogram. This should give us D2080.00. So the cost price of the mixture should be equal to the price for the 34.5 kilogram of X, which was 2415D, plus the cost for 26 kilogram of Y, which is 2080. So this should be equal to 4495.00. All right. So then we can say that our cost price for the mixture is and we know that our profit is equal to our selling price minus our cost price. So profits should be equal to our selling price is 5142.50. So D5142.50 minus our cost price, which is 4495. So our profits becomes but then from the question we are asked to find the percentage profits, not the profits, the percentage profit. So the percentage profits is equal to profit over cost price times 100. So percentage profit should be equal to 647.50 all over our cost price, which was 4495, times 100%. So our percentage profit should be equal to 14.4%, corrected to 1 decimal place. So that's it for the question 6. So we move on to the question 7.